Yeah, hi guys. So today I came across one job opening. So this is for a position of security architect or engineer or penetration tester, which is a pen tester. So I found few things wrong about this opening. The first of all, it is very generic job title. It is a security architect or engineer or penetration tester. I don't know what they specifically want, but if they want three different job roles or two different job roles, they have to post the job separately. They should not merge it together. So penetration tester or pen tester is completely a different job, and security architect or a security engineer is completely different. So let's see the job description now. So I have gone through the job description once. So I found it is mostly related to uh, cloud security specific to Amazon Web Services. So they are saying they are looking for some self-motivated, great team players and passionate AWS security architects or pen testers with extensive cloud experience. Okay, so must here you can say must respond promptly and efficiently to possible breaches of security. So that means it is most related to incident response. So this job requires someone who has to configure and monitor the logs and the alerts with respect to the incidents. So when we see this overview, so I kind of confused that this job, how well it fits for the penetration test or pen tester. It is not something pen tester does. And the second thing is they are looking for some solution architect with the extensive cloud experience. Okay, so they want to identify weakness and threats and respond. So I what I found wrong here is like they should have hire different people. They need to hire a pen tester and an architect for AWS or someone who has experience in incident response in cloud. So these are a very different role. These are not the same roles actually, and they are different teams. So, but it is good to expect multidisciplinary disciplinary skills on the same person, but it is not a pen testing role. I don't think someone with the only experience in penetration testing will apply for this job. I think they won't apply after reading the job description. So here they talk about some of the services like a single sign-on, and they use CloudWatch, a Cloud Trial, Datadog, etc. So these are the AWS specific services, and establish a plan to protect data and information system against. So this is also kind of patching, upgrading, and checking the security best practices in the system. Yeah, it is a configuration or security review again. So this job is no way related to penetration testing based on the responsibility they have listed. And this should be more into configuration and incident response in the cloud. And the skills they're asking for is 8 to 12 years of experience. Okay, that's fair actually, because they are seeing overall experience of 8 to 12 years. They are not specifying anything that this guy should have only kind of 8 or 12 years only in AWS, which may not sound good actually. Okay, previous experience building dashboards and creating security policies. Okay, that is cool. And this is not specific to pen testing again. Yeah, again, we can see these kind of services and stuff. Okay, cloud computing, visualizations, infrastructure as a service. Okay, these are the basics. If you want to jump into the cloud security or cloud environment, so these stuffs are very basics. Okay, this is nothing specific to cyber security or cloud security. Okay, they want some information, IT risk management experience, performance and reliability. Mm, okay, risk management, Not sure if it applies to cloud or some things. And it is not definitely a pen testing related. This is related to more into process, documentation, etc. Okay, here they comes with some Burp Suite and pen testing stuff with OWASP, Burp Suite, proxy, yeah, cryptography, etc. Okay, so they want someone to implement multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, IAM policies, etc. Yeah, sure, these are definitely cloud-based technologies. AWS offers you this kind of services to configure authorization or multi-factor authentication, IAM, etc. Okay, this sounds like interpersonal skills for interaction, the broad acquisition of personnel to explain and enforce security measures. Okay, this is communication related stuff, and here they are expecting some specific communication related skills. Okay, sorry, here they are expecting some specific certifications. They want someone with solutions architect or security, AWS certified security. Okay, it should be security specialty. So these are the associate certificates. This is actually the associate level and this is the specialty level. Okay, so certification they didn't mandate, but it is added advantage. So I want to say there are some things wrong about the job posting. First of all, they are just one security architect or engineer or pen tester. It would be much better if they would have specified something like a cloud security engineer or a cloud penetration tester or something related to cloud actually. Although the role is not completely into pen testing, but still they should have mentioned the cloud or AWS security or something like that. That would fit more than what they clearly mentioned. And the second thing I found wrong with this uh, is like, yeah. So we understand like this role expects mostly into configuration reviews, configuration and setting up the multi-factor authentication, security reviews, performing penetration testing, all this stuff. Okay, so the penetration testing, I don't know why they mentioned pen tester here. So maybe it is mentioned just to attract more candidates, or I don't know. Maybe cloud security is another specialized skill. With not every penetration tester knows that. So I think they must have specified to attract more people. So this is actually something misleading. They shouldn't have put this here. So pen testing is actually maybe the part or very negligible part of this job role, but it's not completely. And I have noticed another thing down here. They have mentioned something about professional commitment. Being a product based company, we heavily invest in developing functional technology, leadership skill sets in our team members. So the candidates who are willing to commit uh, to a minimum of 2 years need to apply. Okay, so here they are saying that you need to stay in this company for a minimum of 2 years. Yeah, but they are saying it informally, or I mean, you without signing on into any papers as a contract, but they just mention verbally like you need to commit 2 years minimum. Yeah. So here is, I found something is not right here. So it is obviously the candidate choice. Like you want to say 2 years, or you want to stay 1 year in a company, or you want to leave the company in 6 months. There are different factors. So sometimes if you may not like the job or something, or they force you to work for more hours, like 12 hours or 14 hours, and the job you are expecting is not something great, and you are not getting some promotions within time to time, and there is no big salary rise or a pay rise. So you need not necessarily to spend 2 years in this company. So here what they are expecting is absurd. So let me know what do you think about this part and the overall job description. of this. Yeah, please comment. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. I am going to review more and more of these perfect job and something with the job posting which are not actually right. Yeah, thank you.